Hey everyone, it's Jamie Abitia with the Maddox Real Estate team. I'm here at my new listing at 73 Pine Hill Drive, located in the Sobrante Hills. We're tucked up a private driveway. I'm super excited to show you around. This is a really great property, as you can see by the views right here. This is a single-level rancher-style home built in 1963, and it combines all of the nice original touches from the home when it was built, mixed with some modern updates to make it feel just really nice and warm and welcoming. Has that old school charm you can see by the brick right here, and you'll see as we get inside some of the modern updates. So I'm really excited to show you around. Follow me. This home was built in 1963 and still has the original hardwood floors. They have been refinished over the years, but they still maintain that classic beauty. You can see that we have a really nice, easy flowing concept. So your living area is kind of right here. You have this chef's kitchen, and then you flow directly into the backyard, which makes this a perfect space for entertaining. So just imagine yourself in this chef's kitchen, entertaining for your friends while everybody hangs out. This house really blends the classic features with modern updates. So we have this really rich cabinetry, updated stone countertops, nice stainless steel appliances, and you still have the original hardwood floors with the addition of recessed lighting throughout. Right off the kitchen, we have the secondary living area. Right now you can see it's set up as kind of a hangout music room, which is super cool. And it also leads you to the backyard access, so you can access the second portion of your yard back here. So as you head down the hall, you'll find all 4 bedrooms, including the guest bath, and my favorite room, which is the primary bedroom, complete with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in shower. This home is situated on a really large lot, just over 3/4 of an acre. They did build this private deck so that you have views of the gorgeous Sobrante Hills. It makes for some really beautiful sunsets. In addition to this entertaining space, you also have a fully functional flat front yard, and you have a backyard that comes with a hot tub, shed, just more space if you need it. This home is located at the top of a private drive, and it's complete with RV parking. So you're nice and tucked away back here. You're still really located close to everything, and you have that convenience. It's really one of those properties that you need to see in person to understand all that it has to offer. So I hope that you can make it to one of the open houses, or that you reach out to schedule a private showing. Hope to hear from you soon.